Hello, my name is Camille Bolt and I'm a multidisciplinary designer. I work with 3D, focusing on housing and building designs at my own architecture and design studio. I have also collaborated with fashion, cosmetics, and tech brands. Shapes, light, and shadows are the vehicle toward creating emotions, and 3D is the perfect language to communicate them. To do so, Blender is my favorite program. It is constantly evolving with more and more possibilities. And to everyone's surprise, it's free. I find my inspiration in minimalism, nature, and architecture. I always try to involve plants and flowers in my work, giving it a surrealistic dose and keeping it simple. That's what makes my process different, the simplicity of every step and the emotion I seek to convey through art. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create 3D compositions for architecture visualization with Blender. As a final project, you will produce a surrealistic archivist image by shaping a lighting and indoor scene. First, we will get inspired and discover Blender. I'm giving you some tips to use the software and optimize your workflow. Now, let's plan the scene. We are going to make a draft with basic shapes. The next step is to turn on the lights. We will play with shadows and objects to improve your initial idea. And yes, we are going to create some minimalistic furniture. Then we will add materials to give realism to your scene. Finally, I will show you how to render easily. Only the final touches remain. Let's make post-production in Lightroom and make it look awesome for your social media. By the end of this course, you will be ready to create your own surrealistic 3D compositions. You will only need a computer and a basic knowledge of Blender. Create new surreal worlds with light, shadows, and shapes.